This is Ron coming from the Peekaboo Marina in Margate City, New Jersey on a cloudy winter day with the sun popping out behind me. That's kind of Ocean City, New Jersey in the background, the bridge and everything over there, but we're getting a little bit of sun popping out right dusk. I hope this looks good. Checking the sound, seeing how that is down here outside. It's not that windy tonight actually, but we're going to test this out here, and I'm going to turn this off and kind of concentrate on the sunset now. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. Okay, we got a beautiful sunball coming out right now, out of the clouds and the mist, right about 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, New Jersey, Margate City. Look at those clouds going by. I should do a little time lapse, but I don't want to stand here that long. It's kind of chilly out here, but I hope this looks as good as I'm seeing it in daylight. All right, I hope you like this little sunset photos. I took some HDR photos, and I took some GoPro video, 2.7K at 30 frames per second. So again, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful kind of partial sunset here right at dusk. All right, until the next one, I'll see you later.